2012 TC. The Scion TC is powered by a spirited engine with a completely responsive handling system and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, airbags, air conditioning, front, cruise control, FWD, child safety rear door locks, bucket seats, power windows, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, moonroof, side curtain airbag, power mirrors, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitoring system, 4-piece floor mat set. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.